That was gnarly. I was in the semi before this race. I told my dad and Brad, I'm like, I want to battle. Like, I haven't battled in a long time.
First Ruddy Supercross of the year. It's pretty gnarly out there. I'm excited though. I'm excited to get some rut racing, and I'm sure we'll get in some good battles today.
Just trying to get a little bit of foam in places where the mud might pack up, trying to make the bike a little bit lighter out there for him. We had a scoop tire mounted up this morning just in case we needed it, but as soon as we hit track walk, we realized it's pretty hard packed underneath. It might rut up, but first couple sessions there were no rust, dude. It's gonna be a good track.
Got a good night tonight. It's gonna be cold. I've been loving it. Guess what? We're out here to have a good time. And guess what? Seattle, go Seahawks!
That was gnarly. And as much as it is nice to get to the lead and take off, this is good for me. Battles like this, learning how to have racecraft like that just teaches me to be a better rider for when I have to go 450. So I think it's a positive.
Been a rough start to the year, just getting the stars dialed in, and yeah, was able to get up into the top 5 again. So made a couple good passes, and then yeah, just stay consistent from there, and that was kind of all she wrote.